Let's dive into the world of financial assets. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, but instead of looking for golden coins or sparkling gems, you're on the hunt for assets that have the potential to bring you value in the future. Sounds exciting, right? That's what dealing with financial assets feels like. So what is a financial asset? In simple terms, a financial asset is a kind of future promise. It's like a ticket that gives you a claim to some economic value or future cash. The important thing to remember is that it's not something you can physically touch, but it definitely carries value, often significant. Each of these assets serves a unique purpose and comes in different forms. Let's delve into the 5 most common ones. First up, we discover stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a big company. That's what buying a stock is like. You're entitled to a share of the company's assets and earnings. You become like a mini co-owner. Then bonds are a bit like IOUs. Governments, municipalities, or corporations issue them when they need to raise some capital. And guess what? They pay you periodic interest for your bond holding. It's like lending someone money, and then they promise to give it back with a little extra as a thank you. Now, mutual funds and ETFs. Picture this as a giant treasure chest, where numerous investors, like you, contribute their money. This chest is managed by a team of professionals who use the pooled money to buy a diverse mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This assortment of investments is the fund. When you invest in a mutual fund or an ETF, you're essentially buying a piece of this vast and varied collection of assets. It's like having a mini portfolio that's managed for you. This diversification can potentially spread out risk and offer you a piece of a broader market's gains. We also have commodities. These are physical goods like gold, oil, or wheat that you can trade on exchanges. Imagine trading a bushel of wheat for a nugget of gold. Finally, you'll hear a lot about this one: currencies. Just like when you exchange your dollars for euros on a vacation, you can trade currencies hoping that their value changes to your benefit. So, as you can tell, these assets give you opportunities for investment, diversification, wealth creation, and risk management. They dance to the tunes of market conditions, economic indicators, and investor sentiment.